Olha, Inca.
Hoje.
14 de dezembro de 2010.
Eu vou falar. Tchau. Fala, minha irmã. Daniel.
Olha, Inca.
Fala,
Inca não Silva. Eu vou sentir falta, gente.
Daniela, por favor. This is incredible.
Please, Zack. Olha, Jenny. Eu vou sentir saudade da Jenny. Lembra que ela se intrometeu no nosso vídeo? Mas foi legal, né? Foi legal.
Sweet eyes.
Oh, Lord.
Olha o pessoal lá. Essa aqui é a janela. Olha que linda. Ai, eu vou sentir saudade da janela.
Are you ready to be funny? Are you ready to be funny?
She's over there.
Oh man, I'm going back
Olha só,
home.
chique dessa.
I'm excited. That's it.
He's wearing his Sunday suit.
Olha, Inca.
How is you, man? Take a picture?
Gustavo.
Yeah, that's me. You like me? Okay. I love you,
You know what Gustavo said?
What?
So he's wearing this shirt. Take it off. Take it off.
Are you ready?
Take it off.
Are you ready for that?
Take it off. Take it off.
Oh, it's kind of hard to take it off.
Hurry up.
Hold on.
Oh, button cut. No, that's not very sexy, man. Come on.
It's not coming.
Take it.
It's not coming.
Come on, hurry up.
It's not coming.
Hurry up. Snap. Hello, Wow. I just had to do that because this morning I was like calling him for something. He was like, I know, I'm going to change. And I was like, you're going to change? Are you going to change? He's like, I don't know. I guess I'm too buff. What? Anyways, anyone else? Alright, let's go before my car runs out of gas. Alright. Well, see, here's the thing. The BD's not here. Okay. Talk to you later. Bye.